Good morning and Jai Hind. This is my second video of the chapter Map SST. In first video we have to explain the chapter Map, and in this video we will discuss the exercise of the chapter. First exercise is fill in the blanks. N dash is a book of map. Which is the book of map? An atlas. Atlas is a book of map. Second question, a ratio of distance of a map which actual distance is known as, what we known? Scale. And third question is, on a map, high mountain are shown in dark brown. Color. Fourth question, on a map the use of the color blue color shows water bodies. And fifth question, shapes or signs used to represent features on a map are called symbols. Next question, on a map drawn to a scale of 1 centimeter is 100 kilometer, and a distance of 5 centimeter on the map means the actual distance of 5 kilometer. If the 100 kilometer is the distance of 1 centimeter and the 5 centimeter is the measured actual distance of 5 kilometer, means an actual distance of 500 kilometer. Next question is, if the north is at the top in a map, west is to left. Now we will discuss the second exercise of the chapter, match the column. First is arrow marked N on the map. We will match it with the north. Second, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. We will match it with the D map scale. Third is plains. Plains we will match with green. And fourth is the symbol of boundary between two countries. And fifth is the symbol of bridge. Now, these are the question answer. I have given the question answer in written along with this video. And next question is MCQ. Which of these maps will always have some errors? First, map of your house, map of your school, map of your neighborhood, map of the world. Correct answer is map of the world. What does a political map shows? A features such as mountain, plains and river. B is roads or railway and airlines routes. C is boundaries of countries, states and important cities. And D is number of the seats won by the political parties in the election. Answer is C, boundaries of countries, state and important cities. Third is, on the map 1000 kilometer is shown 1 centimeter. The scale of the map is, of course, B. 1 centimeter is equal to 1000 kilometer. And question fourth is, blue color in the map always shows plains land, hills, water bodies or marshy land. Answer will be C, water bodies. Which of these symbols represent a boundary between countries? This is the symbol is B. Correct answer is B. Now, homework. You have to frame some questions for the question bank. After writing the answer, you will write the question bank, and you have to write thoughts, think and answer in your revision copy. A wall map of the earth has error because the earth's surface is shown as flat. Do you think a wall map of the neighborhood will also have similar errors? Why? No. Wall of the map of the neighborhood have not similar errors as the other maps have, because other map cover the larger area. Because wall map of the earth has the larger area, so it has some errors, but the map of neighborhood has covered a small area, so there will be no error. And the second question is, which map of India will be bigger? One drawn to a scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer, or one to a scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometer. Of course, 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometer is the bigger map, because it is going to cover the large area. Because 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometer shows the same area on a larger scale. That's why this is the bigger. And another question, you have to do the homework. First is speak out. Your classmate want to come to your house. Give them to direction to reach house from the school. Mention a few landmark they could look out for. अगर कोई तुम्हारा दोस्त तुम्हारे घर आना चाहता है स्कूल से डायरेक्ट, तो उसे कोई ऐसा लैंडमार्क बताना है मैप बनाते समय कि जिससे वो तुम्हारे घर आसानी से पहुंच जाए. You have to draw it in your revision copy. Another homework is you have to draw the symbols in front of this answer. इस what are the symbols के आगे आंसर जो लिखेंगे आप उसके सामने इस सिंबल्स की पिक्चर भी आपको बनानी है. थैंक यू.